Okay, here's a while Boolean expression. And we have a number of lines to execute, and then we end the while, we terminate the loop. So until that Boolean expression is met, we'll keep doing what's in here. And then when we end it, then we move from line 14 down to 15. Otherwise we move from 14 up here to 8. Now this is an entry condition loop. So we check the condition upon entering the loop. There's another type of loop we can use which is called an exit condition loop, and this can be useful for doing a validation on input. So I give myself dim number x, and I can say do, and then I can say loop while x is less than 1, and this is my my logical operator. This is another logical operator. Well, x is less than 1 or x is greater than 5. So while it's less than 1 or greater than 5, I'm going to put a message in there. I'm going to say console dot writeLine, enter a number from 1 to 5, and I'm going to read that number. X is assigned the value of console.readLine. I'm going to read that value, and then I'm going to check if the value is within my range. And if it's not within my range, I will loop back up here and I will keep repeating this until I get the correct number. I don't really need this while here. I'll get rid of this from the last example. I can leave that. Okay, let's try this. So we run it, a number from 1 to 5. Well, I'm going to input 0, and it's asking me to do it. Again, input 6, input 7, 8, and then 2 is a valid one, and it says this program is terminated. So what it did is said do, and then it gave me my instructions, and then I evaluated the Boolean expression. What I've also done here is I've introduced one of the other logical operators, or we used the logical operator and earlier. So it's saying if this expression is true or this expression is true. Now you can make complicated expressions. You could say if expression 1 is true, or expression 2 is true, and expression 3 is true. So with these Boolean expressions, and using logical operators and equivalency operators and mathematical operators or arithmetic operators, you can make quite complex logical flow, program flow, and that's really what you're doing with your algorithms. And now that's our basic program control flow. That's sequence selection and iteration. There are some other constructs available, such as a repeat until, but it's logically not any different than the do while. Now we're going to go into the concept of routines, subroutines, and functions. Thank you.